beautiful devs, welcome back. So in the past we have optimized our website, but unfortunately the website speed was fine, but I felt a little broken pages. I faced like a broken pages on the mobile and the desktop as well. So I just removed that optimization, and now in this video, in the next video actually, I will show you how we can use a light speed cache plugin for WordPress to optimize the speed, and it is a very nice plugin. So we will just take an insight to our website. So here you can see page speed insight is there, and we have the GT matrix as well. So we'll just go to GT matrix. We will just test our website, and also page speed insights will just analyze the page speed scenario. Okay, so let's find out. So it will take some time. Okay, so now you can see that we have the result, and you can see that our website is taking around 5.9 seconds, which is not very good. So we have to optimize the speed. So this is a result on the GT matrix, and we got C grade. Anyhow, we will just improve it. And also if we go to the insights, you can see that on the mobile we got around the performance 57, and accessibility is fine, and best practice SEO is also good. So 57% we got, and definitely you will find out certain speed index. You can see it's around 6.9 seconds, and for desktop you can see that we have 85% performance, and the speed index is 2.3 seconds, but I think speed is a little slow, so we will optimize the things a little bit. So actually we will see that how we can optimize the speed with enabling the cache. So next video we will learn about a very nice plugin in detail, which is name is light speed. That's it for this video. Goodbye.